If you see this ad pop up, if you see this thing over here pop out in your Pi app, please do not click on this. This is a pure scam from hackers, alright? Because ever since the Pi network team introduced this advertisement of a thing so that they can use to support the project's movement, most of the hackers now utilize this ads advertisement now to extort a whole lot of users. So ensure wherever you are, if you are using your Pi, or mistakenly you will just log into your Pi to start your mining, and then you see something like this pop out. This is a pure scam. Run away from it, okay? Run away from it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to disable this pop out or pop up directly from your app, your Pi app, and I'll be showing you how to install your passphrase so that you can be able to secure your Pi app. Those are some of the measures that this Pi core team now has introduced for us to be able to keep our Pi safe by adding an external key, pass keys to it. So that's what I'm going to be showing you so that you can be able to secure your app to avoid most of these scams going on right now. So in this video, I'll be going straight on how to do that. Alright? I'll be going straight on how to disable these apps. Then in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Pi directly from the unwrapper money, because that's a new feature that just came on board. So I'll be showing you how to buy the app, the Pi directly in the next video. So if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell button so that whenever I drop a new video, you're going to be updated. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to ensure that your Pi app is updated, because there's a latest feature right now that is on, like they've just added the passphrase integration into the app. So in order for you to access that feature, you have to first of all go and update your app to the latest version on your Play Store. Alright, and this is the app that we are gonna be updating. Okay, not this one, but this one. You have to go and update this app. Alright, but you can also do your best to update this one as well. Alright, just to be sure that you are using the latest update. Then after you've updated your app from either your Play Store or your App Store, you can now open this particular one here. You open it. Ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. So this is my Pi app right now. I'll just head over and click on where you have this profile right now. Alright, so ensure that little nugget right here, you click on it. After clicking on that little nugget right here, it will take you to this page. This page will pop up. Alright, like what I'm saying is that you have to click on this section right here. Alright, after clicking on this section right here now, it will take you to the next page. Then you now open up this. Click on where you have your profile. After clicking on where you have your profile, just scroll down a little bit. Down right here. You can see here, these are the two features that we are going to be doing. We are going to be adding our pass keys to it. Alright. And also we are going to be doing this. So first of all, what you have to do is to click on where you have this ads right here. You click on this. This by default is going to be at the right. So kindly you have to click on it and disable it to the left. Alright. So I'll just click on it. And you see, go ahead and click on disable for 2 weeks. Alright. So you disable it for 2 weeks. So that means that every 2 weeks you are not gonna be seeing any ads pop up in your phone. Alright, so after 2 weeks, that app is going to show, and this is going to be enabled back to the right. So every 2 weeks, you have to come over here and disable this, okay? Disable it so that app will stop working. Alright, so whenever you disable this now, you can now automatically stop seeing all those numerous bunch of ads instigating you to insert your password and also how to claim a whole lot of that. So that's how you disable all those pop out. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be doing right here is to click on on this is to add this. This is the latest feature that just came on board. So that is why I said I have to ensure that your app is at the latest version. Alright? If your app is not in the latest version, you're not going to be seeing this. So you click on this right now. I've just updated my app. That was why I can see this. So I just click on this and add this passkey. So you now put your password, you insert your password right here. Inserting your password, you now click on continue right here. So you have to enter a password to create a passkey for this device, okay? So whenever it pops out this, you can see, just click on continue. It will show you your name, and then to tell you if you want to use a different device to do this. But go ahead and click on continue. Alright, go ahead and click on continue, and every details right here will be saved in this your email right here. So you have to ensure that whenever you see this, go ahead and select an email that you want your details to be saved automatically. Alright, so I'll just go over this and click on this to select an email for myself. That I want to use to create the passkey, okay? So I want to select an email. So I'll just go ahead and select just one. Alright. So I'll just select one of my email. So by default I've selected it, and all my passkeys is gonna be saved directly into this my email. Alright. Now you're good to go. Just go ahead right now and click on this continue. And let it load. While you're doing this, ensure that your network is very, very stable, okay? So you just go ahead and enable your fingerprints by clicking on it. And then you can see now it has been automatically added. You can see it is showing added. Alright. So this is how you do it. You are now secure from all those whole lot of hackers trying to steal your information. Okay. Now whosoever want to have an access to your Pi your Pi app is gonna be needing your passkey. And if that person or any hacker or entity doesn't have your passkey, they are not gonna be having access to this your app right here. Alright. So that's how you secure your Pi app from most of these scams going on currently. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a video, you're going to be updated. And also do your best to join the Telegram and WhatsApp group so that you can be updated in latest features and whatsoever is going on in this ecosystem. See you in the next video.